He don't believe he the greatest player to ever play.
To this day?
To this day.
Michael Jordan has won it for Chicago.
First of all, you're never going to say who's the greatest of all time.
They're saying you're the greatest player to ever play. He goes, oh, come on, Sal. Stop. I said, no, people are saying you're the greatest player to ever play, ever. Forget everybody else, MJ. They saying you. They only watch you play for 4 years. You're the greatest to play ever. I say this to him.
Yeah. To me, I think that's more for PR and more for selling stories and getting hype.
He was like, man, that's what, that's how they do. Man, they put things together. They want to sell sneakers. They want to sell the league.
I never played against Wilt Chamberlain. I never played against, Jerry West. I won 6 championships. Bill Russell won 11. Does that make Bill Russell better than me and make me better than him? No, because we play at different eras. So when you try to equate who's the greatest of all time, it's an unfair choice.